Hello students. So this is for the grade 6th. We were discussing about natural numbers and whole numbers. In your previous class we have studied about properties of addition. Today I am going to teach you about properties of subtraction. Student, these are similar. These properties are similar. Once you get the difference between them, you will get to know it is very easy. So what are all properties we are going to study today? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, existence identity, existence of inverse. These all properties you are going to study. So we shall discuss these properties one by one without wasting our time. Done. The first property is closure property. What is the first property? Closure property. So if x and y are the two whole numbers, the answer you need to get in the whole number itself, whether you take any number. For example, you take the value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Now subtract it. X minus y is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to, you will get 2. This is a whole number. Done. Now you take the same thing, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. You take the same thing by changing out the number. We'll see what you will get. So x minus y is equal to 3 minus 5. It is subtraction itself is 2. But writing the sign of bigger number, which is bigger, 3 bigger or 5 bigger? 5 is bigger. What is the sign? Minus. Hence we are going to write this. You will ask the question, sir, how do we get to know how we have to write the sign minus, sir? See students, if we don't have anything, you are going to write it plus. So which is bigger value, 3 bigger or 5 bigger? 5 is bigger. What is the sign of 5? Minus. Hence the bigger value sign is minus. This minus will not come under this whole number, right? Hence, this closure property does not hold good for the subtraction. Does not hold good for the subtraction. This closure property does not hold good for the subtraction. This is about the closure property. Then yes. Now coming up for the second property, commutative property. See students, this is about your commutative property. I'll show you how you are going to do this commutative property. Okay. So what is this commutative property? You will write its ulta, right? For example, if you are going to write x minus y is equal to y minus x, and you have to get it same. Done. Yes. Now take any number. Take a number x is equal to what? 15 and y is equal to 18. Done. X is equal to 15, y is equal to 18. We shall see this. First we will take this x minus 5. So x is 15, y is 18. X is 15, y is 18. You will get the answer as what? 15 minus 18 is 3. 3. So please concentrate. Please concentrate. Which is the bigger value, students, here? 18 is the bigger value. What is the sign of the 18? Minus. So you will be having doubt. Students, you will be having doubt. What are you going to ask? Sir, why we have not written plus, sir, here? Why you know? Because this is plus value. Which is bigger, you are going to write its sign. Which is bigger? 18 is bigger. So you are going to write it minus here. Done. The same thing coming up for this. Let me see, y minus x. Again take the value 18 minus 15. 18 minus 15 is equal to what? 3. Which is bigger value now? 18 is bigger. What is the sign of 18? It is plus. Hence it is nothing but plus. Please understand, if we don't have anything to the side of the number, it is plus. For example, I am going to write it 5. I don't have any This does not hold good for the commutative property. Okay, this is about the thing. Next, moving on for the next property is about, which is the next property? Associative property. How will you say this associative property? How will you just terminate on this property? So students, see here, third we are going to study about associative property. You just take any two numbers or any three numbers. Let us take that x minus y minus z. Again you take the same thing, x minus y minus z. Now group out this one. For x minus y I have done. Here I am done for y minus x. Done? Yes. Now take any any numbers for this. You can take it as x is equal to 15, y is equal to 10, and z is equal to 6. You can take all these numbers. Substitute these numbers in this formula, students. So first you are going to take this x minus y minus z, x minus of y z. What is the value of x? Is 15 minus y value is 10. Minus 6, z value is 6 is equal to x minus y minus z again. Let me see whether that will get it correct or not. So see here, 15, 10 minus 6 is 4, 15 minus 4 is what? 11. Then you got as what? 11. So let us see this. So it is now 15 minus 10, then minus 6. 15 minus 10 is 5. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. You can solve, right? 6 minus 5 is 1. The bigger value is 6, the sign is 6. Whether it is equal or not, it is not equal, and this also won't belong to the whole number. And this associative property also does not belong to the subtraction. This associative property does not belong to the subtraction. Done? Yes. Now coming up for the next property is about distributive property. Coming up for the next property, distributive property. These students, you are going to solve by your own. Take any number. This is your homework part. I have solved 3 properties. Now you can take your own. I will show you how to do. Again, you can take any number, that is x, y, and minus z. You can solve first by taking x into y, minus minus. Then you can take it as x into z. You will be having many doubts, sir. Everywhere you have written as x, y, and z, right, sir? Why we cannot take any number, any other number? Short students, you can take any other numbers. I have taken for your understanding purpose. You can take any number. You can take p, q, r, a, b, c, d, element, o, p, q, whichever you want. You can take and just solve this. Take any values of x, y, z and solve, check whether it is going to get proof or not. Okay, whether it is hold good or not. Done. Next property is about, we have solved distributive property. Next property is existence of identity. Existence of identity in the sense, when we add 0 to any number, you need to get the same number. You should not get any other number there. Done. Yes. For example, see, next property is what? Existence of identity. Done? Yes. So, for example, now you are going to add up with 0. For example, you just take 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Now, when you do the same thing with 0 minus x, The next thing I am going to just take out the next property is existence of inverse. The last one is about what? Existence of inverse. Existence of inverse. What about your existence of inverse? Inverse in the sense, if you take any minus value, you need to get the answer as what? 0. Done. If you take any minus value, you need to get the answer as what? 0. Let us see this. For example, you are going to take 5, subtraction of minus 5. 5 of subtraction of minus 5. You will get it as what? 5 minus into minus plus 5. You got as what? 10. This is wrong. Whenever you do inverse, you need to get the answer 0. Because of we don't have any identity element, it does not hold good. It does not hold good. This is about existence property. So these things we have studied about some of the properties of subtraction. Now students, to the last topic, I am going to explain you the important concept of this. The important concept of this. That is the important concept. What is that? Fundamental operations. See, this is a very important concept. You are going to take this or you are going to remember this in your future. I guess you have to remember this. It is compulsory. It is very easy if you understand it properly. See, here plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. This is one case. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus into plus is equal to plus. It is other case. This is one case and this is one case. What is this case does include? See, we have different sign. Can you see the different sign? Plus, minus, minus, plus. Different sign, right? Yes. So for different sign, you will get what? Subtraction. You are going to do minus. You are going to do subtraction. So can you see the same sign? See here, minus, minus, same sign. Plus, plus, same sign. So for the same sign, you are going to do the plus. That is, you are going to do the addition. This is your fundamental operations. So the next, with respect to its what your problems, I am going to solve it in your next class. Please students, watch the video for 2 to 3 times so that you will understand. Go through your textbook. We shall continue the next class. Till then, take care.